excited about this. This just came in the mail from eBay. Some guy shipped me an original Super Takumar 8-element lens without the thorium on here. This is it. So I've got a pair of scissors, and we're going to open up this 1964 lens that I'm going to be putting on the Sony A7R. Let's see this. I got this lens for about $300. Well worth it. Alright. By Jeff Yen. Oh, we got some nice pink packing peanuts. Wow. This was shipped through UPS. USPS, my bad. Alright. Check this out. Unbelievable. Here we go. This is the lens that we have right here. And nothing else in the box. But, thank you for using the postal service thing. Now we're going to cut this. Alright. See that? We're going to just go ahead and cut that. And take this apart now. I'll set this right here. More scissors right here. Oh man. Jesus. So I open up this. Now there's an even smaller version. So we'll put that aside. Now we will take off. This is the lens. I already see it. Still taking this apart, guys. He really packed this well. Superb packaging. It's 4. It's 5. Oh man, oh man. That's 6. Oh my God. All right, so we got this out of the way. Now we look through here. My goodness, this is insane. This is the holy grail of all lenses right here. 1964 8-element lens. I'm going to be careful now and try to take this apart. Oh, shoot. Scared her. Well, taking this apart on camera. This came all the way from Missouri. Alright. Oh my God. Alright. I gotta get a lens cap if it doesn't have one, but oh my God. This is insane. You really freaking wrapped it. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is better than I thought it was going to be. This is so cool. Look at this. This Pentax 8-element lens. Oh, man. And it should come with a UV filter. Don't know where that would be. But, this will come with one. But this is the lens. Let's see how clear the inside of it is. It's got no radiation on this because this is the 8-element. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God. Look at that. That is insane. This is the Super Takumar non-radiation version. And it comes with a lens cap. And I thought, look at that. And it has no protective metal barrier on the side, so you know this is the non-radiation version. if you see that. The whole inside of the box smells kind of weird. But this is it, and it comes with the original Pentax UV filter. And go. This is one of a kind, they said. They didn't make too many of these. I'll probably just get, this is a 49 millimeter Hashi Pentax 49 millimeter UV ghostless. I hope they didn't put any UV radiation on any of these. Hopefully I got the right one, but it looks like the right one. It just screws on right there. But this is the Sahi Pentax Super Takumar f1.4 50 millimeter lens. I'm going to be putting this on the Sony a7R. Once that I get an adapter for it, this should be great. Can't wait to use it. That's all I wanted to show you guys opening this. This is really cool. If you see this, it's got button dials on there. That's pretty cool. And it goes down to f1.4. Look at that. That is insane that it goes all the way down there. This lens is in super good condition for a 1964 lens. And it's not going to have any yellowing problem because there is no radiation on it. Thank you. And supposedly it does have 8 elements, and you could tell by there's no metal backing on it. So when you zoom it out to here, there'll be no protective coating on there. This is too good to be true. So I will see you guys later. I just wanted to show you this. Came in the mail from eBay. I got this lens for $255, around $260 shipping. Really great lens.